Today, one more topic related to the pyrimidine nucleotide. So here question is that what is the end product of pyrimidine nucleotide? Now, mostly in MCQ there is a four answer is given, that is uric acid, urea, creatinine and beta alanine. If you are not knowing that exactly pyrimidine nucleotide end product, then you can think that purine end product, that is uric acid, protein end product, that is urea, while muscle fiber sometime from the creatine phosphate to creatine spontaneously generating creatinine. So beta alanine you are not knowing exactly, so you can go with that beta alanine, but exactly you have to know that what is the right answer of this pyrimidine nucleotide end product. So right answer is beta alanine, but previously also we have discussed that beta amino isobutyric acid, that is the end product of the thymine. Beta alanine, that is the end product of cytosine and uracil, as well as this carbon dioxide and ammonia is generated commonly in all these three, cytosine, uracil and thymine. So how this catabolism is occurring, that we will look. So catabolism of this pyrimidine, first cytosine, that is converted into the uracil by deaminase reaction. This uracil is reconverted into the dihydrouracil with the help of NADPH. Now this dihydrouracil is converted into the carbamyl beta alanine. Finally beta alanine is generated, along with that carbon dioxide and ammonia is generated. So cytosine uracil end product, that is beta alanine. Now thymine, it is first again converted into the dihydrothymine, same as a uracil. Now dihydrothymine, that is further converted into the carbamyl beta amino isobutyrate or the isobutyric acid. So lastly again that carbon dioxide is removed, again that ammonia molecule is separated and formation of beta amino isobutyric acid or the butyrate. So these four you have to remember as the end product of the pyrimidine catabolism. So that's all. So many time it is asked along with the purine end product, what is the end product of the pyrimidine.